You're ready to buy crypto, but hold up. Before you make your first investment, let me save you some time, some money, and frustration by showing you exactly how to buy crypto the right way. The truth is, most beginners make costly mistakes. They use wrong platforms, they fall for scams, or they just forget to protect their money. But not you, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to buy, what to buy, and how to store your crypto safely. So let's get started. The first step in buying crypto is choosing the right exchange. This is where most people go wrong. So let's make sure you do it right. Do not buy from random websites, social media offers, or investment managers in your DMs. If someone's promising guaranteed profits, it's a scam. Stick to trusted exchanges. Once you've picked your exchange, it's time to set up your account the right way. Step 1. Create your account and use a strong password, not something easy to guess. Step 2. Enable two-factor authentication, or 2FA, for extra security. It's best to use an app like Google Authenticator. Enabling 2FA means even if someone gets your password, they can't access your account. Step 3. Verify your identity. Most exchanges require ID verification. This is normal. It's like opening a brokerage account. It keeps things safe. Security is key. Now comes the big question. What should you buy? Now, these three assets have been around the longest. They have the most adoption, and they have survived multiple market crashes. If you're just starting, focus on these. Don't waste money on meme coins, hype projects, or the next big thing. Stick with what's proven. How much should you invest? The answer depends on your situation, but here's a simple rule of thumb. My key advice is to start small and go slow. Get familiar with buying crypto. Start with 1 to 5% of your total portfolio in Bitcoin. Once you feel comfortable with how to buy Bitcoin, then buy Ethereum and Solana in equal amounts. Aim for 60% Bitcoin, 20% Solana, 20% Ethereum. Remember, this is not financial advice, just a guy on the internet who's invested successfully in crypto to catch up on my retirement. Only invest in what you can afford to hold for 5 years. Don't go all in at once. Buy in small amounts over time. Now, this approach lets you get started without taking huge risks. You don't have to go all in. Just start small and build over time. Once you buy your crypto, don't just leave it sitting on the exchange. Here's how to protect it. Think of a hot wallet like your everyday bank account. It's convenient, but online. A cold wallet is like a safe. It's offline, meaning hackers can't touch it. A hardware wallet like a Ledger or a Trezor keeps your crypto 100% secure. If you have more than $1,000 in crypto, get one. All right, before we wrap up, let's go over the biggest mistakes new investors make so you can avoid them. Here are the top crypto mistakes. Buying based on hype, FOMO investing. Leaving crypto on the exchanges, that's a security risk. Investing more than you can afford to lose, falling for scams and guaranteed profit schemes. I see people make these mistakes all the time. If you follow these simple steps in this video, you're going to be ahead of 90% of new investors. Now, I get it. Crypto can feel overwhelming at first, but here's the truth. The biggest risk isn't investing. It's doing nothing. Your retirement savings are shrinking. Traditional investments aren't growing fast enough. And every year you wait, you're missing out on an opportunity to secure your future. So the question is, are you going to take action, or are you going to let the system keep you stuck? All right, if you're ready to invest in crypto the right way, here's what you want to do next. Sign up for my free crypto investing school community, where you'll find courses on how to get started investing in crypto and catch up on your retirement by safely investing in crypto assets. And a community of like-minded people who are learning about crypto and how to safely catch up on their retirement. It's time to stop waiting. It's time to start building your future. See you in the next video.